All right, so there, as I say, this is a very popular one. It's an angle bisector. So it's a good idea if at the bottom of your page you literally just draw yourself a V. Doesn't matter how you draw it to the side, whatever. It doesn't matter how big it is. Just draw yourself a V, a little angle, and we're going to bisect that. It doesn't have to be acute. Literally, it can be any length, any angle. Okay, so angle bisector. So we talked about bisector. What does it mean? Cut. Just cut through it, or cut in half. Okay. Again, you may say, well, I could get my protractor, measure it, and halve it, and draw a line. Yes, but you're not constructing it then. Okay. So we want to construct an angle bisector. So this is our angle. If we're cutting a bisector, we know that our line is going to go through the middle here. Yes. Again, as I said, it's a good idea to have an idea of what it's going to look like. So to do the angle bisector, you get yourself your compass from the top, and you place the compass point in the vertex of the angle. Okay, you open up your compass. Oh, I didn't want to do that. You open up your compass point. Just, it doesn't matter how much, but a way away. And you draw an arc. Alright, so once you've drawn that first arc, don't change your compass. You're then going to stick it in where it crossed one of the arms. Okay? You're sticking it in the point. Have a look at what I'm doing. You're sticking it in the point, and you're going to draw an arc in the middle here. You're then going to switch it and stick it in this point where it crossed this arc, and draw another arc. And lo and behold, you've then drawn a line, or you've then put a mark that when you draw a line through it, you've cut that angle in half.
It's fun!
Right, okay, last one is constructing a 60-degree angle. We talked about this last lesson, do you remember?
No.
Oh. Where do we see 60-degree angles?
In triangles. In equilateral.
In equilateral triangles. So,
Everybody should be as smart as you are.
if we were asked to construct a 60-degree angle, what we would do is we would draw a baseline. Okay, so we would have a baseline. So if you want to practice, draw yourself just a line on the bottom. Okay, you can get yourself a compass.
Can you tell us in advance if we need to keep it all the same size?
Sure.
Yes, we don't. I think we're only drawing one.
Oh.
Hey now.
So I'm going to construct my 60-degree angle here on the left. I'm going to do it up here. So, I'm going to stick my compass point in there. I'm going to open up my compass point a certain way. And now I'm not going to touch it for the rest of this construction. Okay?
Is that half or more than half?
Doesn't matter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw an arc here. You can keep it, you can keep the arc going, or you can just move it and draw another arc up here. Do you understand what I mean? So it doesn't have to have a gap in between. You can draw the whole arc. I just don't like too many pencil marks myself. So there's one arc. And then what we're going to do is we are going to switch the compass point now to this red mark. Perhaps I'll change the colour of my pen for this one.
Did you measure the center in your roller?
No, I didn't measure anything.
Anywhere you want. Anywhere you want.
And then I'm going to draw just a baby arc up here. Okay, and then from here to here is going to form a 60-degree angle.
Thanks, God. I don't get it.
Okay, because secretly what we've done is construct ourselves a baby equilateral triangle. Okay, but obviously we wouldn't need this part here.
Can we do that for anything or just 60 degrees?
This is just 60-degree angles.
So the thing was definitely 60 degrees.
Perhaps I should get that. Yep. Just one quick one. What would happen if you wanted to, if you were asked for some reason construct a 45-degree angle?
Half it.
Half what?
You put your pencil mark on the.
Did you hear what I said?
Yeah.
A 45-degree angle.
I'm sorry.
Okay. So if you were asked, if you were asked to construct a 45-degree angle, what would you do? If I went back to this thing here, would it help?
Make a 90-degree angle and then half it.
You could. You would construct a 90-degree angle, a perpendicular line, and then bisect this. So that would be your 45. And then, Olivia, if you were asked to construct a 30-degree angle,
I was thinking 90.
you would bisect this one here. So, all right. So that's constructing things done and dusted. Okay.